Hello world, how you doing? I hope so you're keeping well. My name is Damian from TheMonkeys. Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. And I think the officially holiday Christmas season is started. Check this out. It's busy in Kuta in Bali in Indonesia nowadays. So many people coming from different islands of Indonesia, obviously because the Bali Tourist International is still almost not exist, but the local, yes. It's quite busy. Here, somebody play guitar. How you doing, my friend? Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. So many cars, like I said, people, local domestic people coming to Bali because the holiday season, Christmas holiday season, okay, maybe not everybody celebrating Christmas, but everybody celebrate holidays in this time of the year, end of December, so I hope so. In this week I can show you only optimistic, positive vibes. This is the corner of the Kuta Square. It was rainy just not so long ago. KFC and street leading to the Kuta beach, some delivery, so that's a good sign. And there are so many cars actually and people walking around. This is, oh, it's slippery. This is very slippery, especially if you walk by sandals, so have to be careful. Check this out. All the shops are open for Christmas presents. Every kind of shop is open. There is not many people walking because it was rainy, but every business is open. Check this out. Even Jamie Olivier kitchen is open currently. That's unbelievable. I remember when I walked during my birthday on 7th of July, there was simply like a ghost land, but today is busy. But yeah, it's Monday. By the way, it's Monday and it's busy. Really, it's very slippery here, especially if you're using the sandal, have to be careful. I think the promenade in summer will be not as slippery as here in Kuta, the path. Anyway, it's so busy, but I just wanna, before I gonna continue my vlog today, I just gonna ask you one very serious question. In the past few days, I just realized as all the videos dropped, like views dropped like a quite much, like a 40-50%. And I'm just curious, you don't like them anymore, you get bored, or maybe you're busy because of the Christmas holidays and you're like shopping and stuff like this, or you just simply don't like watching my vlogs anymore, or maybe it's something wrong with the YouTube, because I had already one situation with YouTube, as YouTube suddenly stopped recommending and showing my videos to you, even you are subscribed. So if you don't mind, let me know in the comment section if you still like to watch my videos, or maybe you're just bored, or maybe say goodbye, whatever. Yo, what's up? How you doing? I mean, this is the entrance to the Kuta beach. It was rainy, the Bakso, Pantai Kuta. We'll see how's the situation on the beach. Meanwhile, the street is quite busy. It's Monday, actually. So it's very good sign. And there is like a big Hyundai excavator. They're doing the reconstruction of the Kuta beach. That's the very positive vibe. I think the bars and ladies, they went home because it was so rainy. But here definitely they're doing something very positive view as they're trying to recover it, and they got money for that. And meanwhile, that's the continuation of the Kuta beach. But today let's focus on the street because it's so busy on the street. It was rainy, so I don't think so it's really busy very on the beach, but on the street definitely. If you are still watching and still enjoying my videos, let's hit this time. And it's holiday Christmas time season. Let's hit 400 likes on this video. Show the power of the Monkeys family. If not, well, I'm still gonna continue my vlogs. But 400 likes, big thumb up, guys. This is the Hard Rock Cafe. It's quite busy, but I just realized as here not so long ago was the Berlin Wall. Remember, guys, when I was showing this, but seems like it was really here because it's sign. But they demolished this, so I think that was really bad idea. That's the past apocalyptic lockdown idea. It's not anymore. I think it's good. Let's continue about the situation here today. Horses people on the streets, quite busy. Hello. How are you?
How are you?
All good. Hello, how you doing? I'm gonna try to pass the street right now. I hope so. Nobody gonna drive into me. You have to walk fast, but also have to be careful because it's slippery. Anyway, Hard Rock Kuta. Check this out. Quite busy inside. I could say 70% on the parking area. Local people really love Hard Rock Hotels Group. I don't know if you also sharing the same enthusiasm about this brand, but the locals for sure. Here even the Pizza Hut, all the businesses are simply open. Really, Mercure Kuta beach, so busy, check this out. Actually more basa deep inside, drivers waiting. They're gonna go somewhere, check this out. Wow, quite busy also. Not so bad. Here, even Starbucks here is open. I know who cares about the Starbucks, but this Starbucks was closed for almost 2 years. It's open again, so that means the demand is already definitely higher. Full of energy this week, full of positive vibes. It's gonna be busy week for sure. I'm so happy to see that. I'm happy making vlogs like this. However, everything in this week will be positive, optimistic. However, if you didn't see yesterday's vlog where we are talking about this Bali tour is gonna come back in next year in 2022, I really recommend it to watch it because we are sharing very extremely important news and information what's gonna happen next year. That's very important. Would be nice if you could watch it. All right, here behind me there was long time ago the famous McDonald's on Kuta beach. Now is the mini market. It's called Alpha Express, and next to it is another mini market. It's called Indomaret. So they changed the land into the mini shops. Well, is that also all right? Behind me some people walking. That's definitely much more positive, optimistic vibe. Also keep in mind it was rainy just half hour ago. It's still wet here. As I said, some people walking around, police patrolling as everything is okay. Flapjacks, some even local Indonesian tourists, mixed couple. Well, life is going back, at least today. Happy days heading into beach walk area right now. Probably the most busiest part of Kuta. It's gonna be next to beach walk, which is over there. Meanwhile, I'm gonna have a quick look to the beach. It was raining, as you see, so I don't expect it's busy, but yeah, many actually warungs are still open. This is not like it's not open. Yo, how you doing, my friend? All good? All good. And check this out. They clean the beach pretty well here in Kuta. Looks pretty nice. They are like places for fire. Maybe they will burn this out, or maybe they're gonna throw it away, but it's clean today. It's clean and low tide. This is the entrance to the Poppies 2, and well, Poppies 2, the few warungs are open, but deep inside will be quiet. Probably after Christmas I will show you there, because there will be not that happy vibes, but in this week I want to show you happy vibes, like this one, traffic next to the mall. There's some local people driving, local tourists, Sheraton, and well, front of the Beach Walk Mall, probably the most popular mall in Bali so far. Traffic, people walking, local tourists. That's really good, really good. There will be not many international tourists because obviously quarantine is 10 days right now. And yo, what's up? I think, I don't know, people are friendly or they recognize me. And well, traffic next to the mall, quite busy. And over Christmas with all the foreigner tourists, because the vibe, Christmas vibe with the tourists is definitely better than with the local people, because local people, like I said, celebrate more likely holidays, festive holiday time, but not really Christmas itself, because well, that's the different culture. Normal thing, local BMO style transport. This is like a public transport in Kuta area, full of local people, by the way, deep inside, as you see. Forget about the social distancing, but I'm not sure if that, yeah, doesn't matter. Hello! Yeah, happy vibes, happy vibes. Even local people are more happy right now because, well, there's some action around, definitely. Check this out, deep inside the mall, it's busy, as you could expect. So many motorbikes. Last time somebody asked me, where are these people coming from and who's on these motorbikes? The local people, like this one, for example. Who else own the motorbikes? Some of them they are on the beach, some of them they are in the mall, and some of them they are working here everywhere around. Simple words. Check this out. It's busy like in the old good times, right? No place to park your motorbike, traffic, mall is busy. Unfortunately, there is no Christmas tree in the mall. It's pretty sucks. The difference is now there are some warungs here at the front selling, probably for the people who are thinking to having something here like this one, for example. Not so bad at all what they are selling, by the way, but it's quite busy, definitely quite busy, especially at the front of the Beach Walk Mall. That's no doubts about that. parking guy and traffic. I will try to cross the street right now. I will try to cross the street right now. I hope so. They will let me and they're not gonna drive into me. This is the Lombok guy, the air, and this is the car. I don't know what's the brand of this car coming from Jakarta. This is something brand new. It's quite busy, definitely quite busy. And quickly, situation at the front of the Beach Walk Mall, also very busy. Really busy, guys. Happy days. And quick, very slow, peaceful view of the Beach Walk entrance. Pretty busy indeed. People waiting for the cars, taxi, or maybe for the Grab. Pretty busy indeed. But as you see, majority of local people, definitely. I think there is only one couple of foreigners deep inside of the restaurant. But after that, as you see everywhere around, only local people. But at least it's something happening, right? Alright guys, that was the quick video from Kuta, Bali, Indonesia beach walk area, and Kuta beach quite busy as you see. 4 days till Christmas, so definitely a big improvement, like every year actually. Let me know how you celebrate your Christmas. Also, if you're still thinking about sending video for Christmas, you can do it till end of this week, till Christmas. I'm thinking to upload the video on the first day of Christmas or the second day of the Christmas. And meanwhile, that's it from me. Comment below, what do you think about the current situation? As always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.